Hello dear students, how are you? Hope you all are fine at your home and doing studies well. Okay students, पिछली क्लासेस में हमने इंटीजर्स का एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन, डिवीजन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन सीखा है कि इंटीजर्स को अगर हमारे पास कोई दो इंटीजर्स या इससे ज्यादा इंटीजर्स अगर दिए हुए हैं तो हम उन्हें ऐड कैसे करेंगे, मल्टीप्लाई कैसे करेंगे, सब्ट्रैक्ट कैसे करेंगे, डिवीजन कैसे करेंगे, ये हमने सीखा है। और इस वर्कशीट के बारे में भी मैं आपको पहले बता चुकी हूँ कि पावर ऑफ इंटीजर्स के बारे में हम पहले डिस्कस कर चुके हैं। पावर ऑफ इंटीजर्स में हम क्या करेंगे कि कोई भी नंबर बार बार मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है तो उसे हम उस नंबर की पावर की फॉर्म में लिखते हैं। इज दिस क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? इसकी कुछ प्रॉपर्टीज थी जिन प्रॉपर्टीज के बारे में भी हम डिस्कस कर चुके हैं। पावर में जो नीचे जो नंबर लिखा हुआ होता है उसे हम बेस कहते हैं और उसके ऊपर जो नंबर लिखा हुआ है this 2 to the power 2, this 6 to the power 3, 6 is base and 3 is the exponent. And remembering points, we have learned here that minus 1 to the odd positive integer, minus 1 to the power odd positive integer becomes a negative number, that is a minus 1, and the positive minus to the power even positive integer, it will get the positive 1 here. Okay students, now we will do here the worksheet 8. In the worksheet 8, there is given here that there is a first part. Let's see here the students. Question 1 part A. In the question 1 part A, there is given here, read aloud. Only you have to read here. It be reading as 5 to the power 2. It will be done here. इस तरीके से हम रीड करेंगे इसके सभी क्वेश्चंस को। एक लास्ट एफ पार्ट में करवा देती हूँ आपको। -1 to the power 18. हाउ विल वी रीड इट? -1 to the power 18. It will be done here. -1 to the power 18. This is the question number 1 here. Now there is the question number 2. In the question number 2, what will we do here? There is the question number 2. Let's see students, there is the question number 2. Complete the table. The first one is done for you. First one is done for you and the remaining questions you will do yourself. There is the powered numbers and their bases and their exponents. We have to show here. These are the powers here. Let's see. So, there is the question number 2. In the question number 2, these are the numbers here and these are bases and these are the exponents. So students, in the first question, there is the base is 7 and the power is 5. Base is 7 and the power or exponent is 5. Now the second one is 9 is the base and 3 is the exponent. 9 is the base and 3 is the exponent. Same here, -10 is the base and 7 is the exponent. It will be done here, all the students. इंटीजर्स की अगर पावर्स के बारे में हमें जानना है, एक्सपोनेंट्स के बारे में जानना है तो आपके लिए इतना ही काफी है। राइट इन द पावर नोटेशन. इन्हें हमें पावर नोटेशन में लिखना है तो पावर में कैसे लिखेंगे? सेम हियर द क्वेश्चन 4 टू द पावर में लिखना है। सेम नंबर मल्टीप्लाइंग 3 टाइम्स, इट मीन्स इट्स पावर इज 4 टू द पावर 3. -2 इज रिपीटेड हाउ मेनी टाइम्स? 4 टाइम्स. इट मीन -2 टू द पावर 4 is written as. And 5 to the power 5. It will be the 5 to the power 5 because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times it be multiplied. And -10 to the power 8 because -10 is repeated 8 times because it is given here 8 times. It is not counted here. Dot means it will be regular up to 8 times. And now there is the -1 to the power how many times? 3 times. And -1 to the power 33 times. It means -1 is multiplied here at least 33 times and this is -1 to the power 33. Now students, there is the question number 4. Expanded form में write down करना है हमें. Expanded form में वही जो हम अभी पहले कर चुके हैं यहाँ ऊपर. अभी हमें ये वाली जो फॉर्म है वो दी हुई है और आपको इससे ऐसे फॉर्म में लिखना है. तो there is the question number 4. How do we write it in the fair notebook? Question number 4. In the question number 4, there is given here 2 to the power 5. What will we write here? Expanded form. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. This will be the expanded form. Now there is the this is the A part, this is the B part, D part. I will do here D part minus 12 to the power 2. It will be the minus 12 into minus 12. This is the expanded form here. Okay, students. Now compute the following. It means we have to give the answer here. So question number 5. For the question number 5, part A, 3 to the power 4. And this is equals to expanded form क्या हो जाएगी? 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3 जा 9, 9 3 जा 27, 27 3 जा 243. It will be the, sorry, 3 3 जा 9, 9 3 जा 27, 27 3 जा 81. This will be the answer here. That is 81. This will get the 81. Now there is one another part for question number 5, part B. Part B is there minus 5 to the power 2. It will be the minus 5 into minus 5, and that it will be get to 5 5 ja 25, and minus is multiplied to the minus, that is plus. 2 minus makes the plus sign. Okay, students. Now we will go to the C part. In the C part, minus 1 to the power 78 is equals to the 1, because minus 1 to the power 78. Minus 1 to the power even power. If this is even, it means this is the positive one answer. Okay, students. Now we will go to the part. This is the part C here, and E part आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. E part में करवा रही हूँ आपको. minus 4 to the power 3 into minus 10 to the power 3 into minus 1 to the power 7 8 9. स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ देखिए minus 7 8 9 है, तो हम इजीली कह सकते हैं कि दिस इज द ऑड पावर, और अगर minus 1 to the power ऑड होती है तो हमारा आंसर क्या हो जाता है? प्लस 1. तो देखिए यहाँ क्या हो जाएगा? सॉरी, minus 1. दिस विल बी द minus 1. So it will be getting here minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 4, and 10 minus 10 is also multiplied 3 times, minus 10 into minus 10 into minus 10. It will be done. Now this is the negative sign, so it will be putting here in the answer. Now this will be the minus to the power 3. Minus is multiplying here how many times? 3 times. Odd times. If minus is multiplying odd times, then it will be the negative power. So minus and minus plus becomes. And now again there are 3 times in the tens, there are negative signs are 3. Odd negative signs are there. If odd negative signs, it will become the negative. So there is the minus sign. This will be the positive sign. This minus and this minus, they are getting the minus sign. Minus and minus plus sign, and these are getting here the minus sign again. It will be placing here minus sign. 4 4 ja 16, 16 4 ja 64, and there are 1 2 3 zeros. It will be the answer here. Okay, students. So remaining questions you will do yourself. 2 क्वेश्चन बच गए हैं, 2 पार्ट बच गए हैं इसके, वो आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे, because these are the very very simple questions here. Now we will do here the question number 6. In the question number 6, there is given here, find the number which is cube of minus 9. ऐसा नंबर हमें फाइंड आउट करना है जो माइनस 9 का क्यूब होगा, एंड क्यूब इज द पावर 3. ये आपको ध्यान होना चाहिए स्टूडेंट्स. जो क्यूब है और स्क्वायर है, स्क्वायर मीन्स द पावर 2. देयर इज अ स्क्वायर. There is a square. It means power 2. And there is a cube. It means there is the power 2. Anything else? This is the square. Square means to the power 2. And there is the power 3. It will be done here. So there is the question number 6. Find the number which is this. So let's see. We have to solve here question number 6 part A. In the question number 6 part A, there is cube of minus 9. Cube of minus 9 is equals to minus 9 to the power. Cube means power 3. So it will be getting here minus 9 into minus 9 into minus 9. And we have to find here the number. Negative sign is multiplied odd times. If minus is multiplied odd times, अगर minus को हम odd times multiply करते हैं तो आंसर में क्या आता है हमेशा? minus sign. 9 9 जा 81, 81 9 जा 729. Now there is a B part. B part is square of 15. Square of 15, it means 15 square. 15 into 15. It will be becomes as 225. If we multiplying 15 and 15, this will be equals to 225. There will be the part C. 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube is equals to 1 cube is 1 plus 2 cube is, it implies 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 into 2 and plus 3 is multiplied 3 times. So it will be getting here 1 plus 2 to the 4 to the 8, 3 to the 9, 3 to 27, and it will be the 36 will be the number here. Now students, there is a part D here. In the part D, minus 10 to the power 3 plus minus 10 to the power 2 plus minus 10 to the power 1. It will be multiplied 3 times. It means 10 is multiplying here 3 times. It means, and minus is also the 3 times. There is the negative sign. Odd times means there is a negative sign, and 10 is multiplied 3 times. It means there is 10 into 10 into 10. What will we get? 1000. And plus minus is minus 1 to the power 2. It means there is a even times repeated here. So even times 2 times repeated here. Even times repeated, then this is positive. So 10 is multiplied to 10, that is 100. And minus 10 to the power 1. This is the odd minus, and that is 10 here. It will be done. Same signs को पहले sum करिए. Minus 1010 and plus 100. Now different sign. It means we will get the difference here. Different sign होंगे तो हम यहाँ difference निकालेंगे. तो 100 minus करेंगे तो कितना बचेगा? That is 0 1 9 910. We will get here the 910. It will be the answer, and there is the negative sign because the different number is the greater number is have the negative sign, so it will be placed here the negative sign. So there is the part E, question 7, part E. In the part E, what will be given here? Question 6, sorry. Sorry students, this will be the question number. This is the question number 6 and this is the question number 7. Question number 7, part C, D we have done already, and now we will do here the question number 6, part C. Let's see, there is some confusion here. Question number 6, part C देखिए, 5th power of minus 10. Minus 10 की 5th पावर निकालनी है हमें, तो क्या हो जाएगा? minus 10 to the power 5. 5th पावर निकालनी है हमें. This will becomes as minus 10 multiplied minus 10 multiplied minus 10. This is multiplied by minus 10 and this is also multiplied by minus 10. It will be getting, minus is multiplied here 5 times. It means this is the odd times. Odd times means answer in the answer is negative. So this will be the 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tens are there, so 5 zeros. It will be making the 10 1 lakh. Now there is the 19th power of minus 1. There is the question C, question 6 part D. 19th power of 1. Minus 1. Minus 1 to the power 19th. That's equals to minus 1 to the power 19. It means this is the odd power. If minus 1 to the power odd is getting here the minus 1. Now question 7 part A. There is 3 to the power 2 plus 4 to the power 2. It will becomes the 3 to the power 2 means 3 into 3 and plus 4 to the power 2 means it is not the 4 into 2. Because the power means one same number is multiplying it how many times? The power times. there is 4 into 4. 4 to the power 2 means 4 into 4. 4 is multiplied 2 times. The power says that this is the multiplying of itself this number. 3 3 is 9 plus 4 4 is 16. This is 25. It will be done here. Now there is the B part. In the B part, 2 cube minus 4 square. It will be becomes 2 cube means 2 into 2 into 2 minus 4 into 4. 2 to the 4 to the 8 minus 4 4 जा 16. Different sign means difference. 8 और 16 का difference 8 हो जाएगा. Greater number sign has negative sign. So it will be the answer here. Now students, there is a question number part C, 7th question part C have been done here. C, D. All questions are done here. And now we will do here the question 7 part E. 3 cube minus and minus 2 to the power 3. It will be done here 3 into 3 into 3. 3 to the power 3 means 3 को 3 times multiply करना, and minus 2 is multiplying here the 3 times because its power is 3. So it will becomes 3 3 is 9, 3 is 27, and minus, this will be the minus here because minus negative sign is multiplying odd times. odd times अगर multiply हो रहा है तो आंसर क्या आएगा, माइनस में आएगा. तो माइनस 2 to the 4 to the 8, माइनस 8 आएगा, एंड माइनस मल्टीप्लाइंग होकर के दोनों नेगेटिव साइन मल्टीप्लाई होते हैं तो क्या बनता है हमारे पास, प्लस बनता है. दैट इज इक्वल्स टू 8. 27 प्लस 8 that is 35. It will be the answer here. Now there is the F part, question 7 part F, and there is minus 1 to the power 16 plus minus 1 to the power 36 plus minus 1 to the power 7 plus minus 1 to the power 54. This is the even power. This is also the even power. This is the odd power, and this is the even power. So what will we get here? These are the odd even powers, and even power, it means this is the plus 1, plus this is the even power, it means this is the plus 1. This is the odd power, it means we will get here the minus 1, and there is also even power, so it will be getting here the plus 1. So plus 1 and minus 1 cutting each other because they gets the subtraction as 0. 1 minus 1 is 0, and 1 plus 1, that's equals to 2 is the answer here. Okay students, this question number 7 is done here. Now there is the question number 8. In the question number 8, there is given here, subtract the cube of minus 2 from the cube of 2. We have to subtract the cube of minus 2 from के बाद वाला पहले होता है. There is cube of minus 2 from cube of 2. We have to subtract it. देखिए कैसे, फ्रॉम के बाद वाला पहले लिखा जाएगा तो क्यूब ऑफ 2. 2 क्यूब माइनस सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है, तो सब्ट्रैक्ट क्या करना है, क्यूब ऑफ माइनस 2, इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है हमें. देखिए कैसे करेंगे, 2 to the power क्यूब मीन्स 2 into 2 into 2, 3 times 2 multiply, minus, there is the minus here, and now minus 2 is multiplying 3 times. Again 2 to the 4 to the 8, and minus, there is negative sign is multiplying here 3 times, that is the odd times. It will be minus time is odd times taken here. So यहाँ माइनस मल्टीप्लाइज होकर के क्या बन जाएगा, माइनस साइन, माइनस 8, 2 to the 4 to the 8, and it will be the 8 minus and minus plus बनेगा, that is 8 is equals to 16 here. Okay students, it will be done here. Now there is the question number 9. In the question number 9, there is given here minus 2 to the power 5 into minus 2 to the power 3 is equals to minus 2 to the power 3, 8. We have to verify here this. Now taking LHS, LHS is equals to minus 2 to the power 5 into minus 2 to the power 3. And bases are same, powers are adding here. So minus 2 to the power 8, 5 plus 3. यहाँ लिखेंगे हम 5 plus 3. And that's equals to minus 2 to the power 8, and this will be the RHS. It means hence verified. It will be done here. Okay students, now we will go to the next part. There is the B part. B part is 6 to the power 5 into 6 to the power 4 is equals to 6 to the power 9. Again, LHS is equals to 6 to the power 5 plus 6 to the power 4. It will becomes, multiplying here. This bases are same and the powers, if bases are same and the powers are different, so powers are adding here. 6 to the power 5 plus 4, that is 6 to the power 9, and it will be the RHS. So it is equals to RHS. Hence verified. It will be done here. There is the B part, and now here is the C part. Question 9, part C. 5 to the power 2 minus 3 to the power 2 is equals to 4 to the power 2. What will be done here? There is the first LHS side. LHS side 5 5 ja 25 minus 3 3 ja 9. It's equals to 16, and this is equals to 4 into 4, and we will write it as 4 square. So it will be done here, okay students, and this will be the RHS side. Okay, hence verified. Hence verified. It will be done here. Now there is the question number 9 and part D. Part D is 12 to the power 2 plus 5 to the power 2 is equals to 13 to the power 2. Now taking the LHS side first. LHS is 12 to the power 2. 12 into 12 plus 5 into 5. It will be the 12 into 12, that is 144 plus 5 5 ja 25. It will getting here the 169, and this is equals to the 13 square. 13 into 13. First we will write it as 13 into 13, and it will be the 13 square. And this is equals to the RHS. So hence verified. Okay students, it will be done here. Now there is the question number 10 here. In the question number 10, we have to write here the true or false. So we will do it in the rough notebook. Now students, there is the true false questions, and the first question is 3 to the power 4 is equals to 4 to the power 3. No, because 3 to the power 4 means 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, and this is 4 into 4 into 4. What will we get? 3 3 ja 9, 9 3 ja 27, 27 3 ja 81, 4 4 ja 16, 16 4 ja 64. क्या ये दोनों equal है? No. It means this is the false statement, because 81 is not equals to 64. LHS is not equals to RHS. We will write the region here. Okay. Now there is the second part. 9 to the power 7 divided by 9 to the power 5 is equals to 9 to the power 2. Yes. So this will be the, अगर हम पावर्स को डिवाइड करते हैं तो हमारे पास सेम बेसिस होते हैं, पावर्स डिफरेंट होती हैं. तो 9 टू द पावर 7 माइनस 5 एंड दैट्स इक्वल्स टू 9 टू द पावर 2, और RHS भी यही है. इट मीन्स दिस इज द ट्रू स्टेटमेंट. नाउ माइनस 5 टू द पावर 2, बेसिस आर सेम. देखिए बेस सेम है तो पावर्स ऐड हो जाएंगी. यहाँ कुछ नहीं है तो वह 1 हो जाएगा. 2 प्लस 3 5, 5 plus 1 6, and that's equals to minus 5 to the power 6. It means this is the true statement. बट क्या जब बीच में एडिशन का साइन होता है और बेसिस सेम होते हैं तो क्या हम उनको पावर्स को ऐड कर सकते हैं? नो, इट विल नॉट बी पॉसिबल. सो इट्स द फॉल्स स्टेटमेंट. क्यूब ऑफ ए नेगेटिव इंटीजर इज पॉजिटिव. If we will do here the cube of negative integer, this is the cube here, minus 1 to the power 3. It's the cube here. It's the negative integer. It's the positive integer. No, because अगर odd times हमारे पास minus to the power odd times होती है तो हमारे पास आंसर क्या आता है? माइनस ही होता है. That's the false statement. Minus 1 to the power 101. This is the odd. माइनस 1 टू द पावर odd. Odd पावर अगर होती है तो आंसर में क्या आएगा? हमेशा -1. So it will be the true statement. 1 to the power 3 is equals to 3. No, because 1 to the power 3 means 1 into 1 into 1, and that's equals to 1 here. So this is not equals to 3. This is the false statement. It will be done here. Now there is a cube of a positive integer in negative. No, अगर किसी भी पॉजिटिव इंटीजर का 3 is positive integer to the power 3, 3 into 3 into 3. It will be the 27. It will be the positive, never negative. It means this is the false statement. Always positive. हम रीजन में लिख देंगे cube of positive integer is always positive. Always positive. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ देयर इज द 3 to the power 2 is equals to 6. नो, ये कभी भी मल्टीप्लाई नहीं होते हैं पावर्स, पावर और नंबर। इसका पावर का मीनिंग क्या होता है? 3 2 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है अगर पावर 2 है तो। 3 3 जा 9, ये 9 होना चाहिए, दैट इज नॉट इक्वल्स टू 6, सो दिस इज द फॉल्स स्टेटमेंट। 6th पावर ऑफ ए नेगेटिव इंटीजर पॉजिटिव, 6th पावर ऑफ ए नेगेटिव इंटीजर, 6th power of a negative integer is positive, 6th power of a negative integer, this is a negative integer is the 6th power. 6th power is even power, and even power it means this is always the positive, it means this is a true statement. Okay students, now there is one more question here, that is the 11th question. In the 11th question there is what power of 2 is 32. अब बताइए मुझे 2 की मैं कितनी पावर करूं यहाँ कि मेरे पास आंसर आए। यहाँ फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स आपको फिल करना है पावर में, और आपको बताना है कि कितनी पावर करूं कि 32 आ जाए। तो 2 को मल्टीप्लाई करते चलिए जब तक 32 नहीं आ जाए। 2 2 जा 4, 4 2 जा 8, 8 2 जा 16, 16 2 जा 32. Yes, this will be the 32. It will be the 32. It means 2 to the power 1 2 3 4 5. 2 to the power 5 is equals to 32. It will be done here. This is the A part. Now there is the B part here. In the B part, minus 4 to the power what will we do here? That's equals to minus 64. देखिए अगर नेगेटिव इंटीजर है और नेगेटिव ही आंसर आ रहा है, इट मीन्स यहाँ पावर कुछ ओड पावर आ रही होगी। तो देखिए कैसे करेंगे हम। -4 को हम पहले 2 बार मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे। -4 इंटू -4, 4 4 जा 16 एंड पॉजिटिव 16 प्लस 16। बट अगर हम एक बार और मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो प्लस एंड माइनस माइनस एंड 16 4 जा 64, इट विल बी द -64। तो कितनी पावर हुई? दैट्स इक्वल्स टू -4 टू द पावर 1 2 3, दैट्स द 3 हियर। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ देयर इज द पार्ट सी हियर। लेट्स सी, देयर इज द पार्ट सी। इन द पार्ट सी व्हाट विल वी डू हियर? 10 to the power what will we do here? That it becomes the say 5. This will become as, so 10 की पावर कितना मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे हम? 10 को 5 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो ही 5 जीरो आते हैं। this and that's equals to 10 to the power 5. It means this is the 10 to the power 5. And now D part is -1 to the power what is equals to -125. It means कुछ और पावर आएगी, -5 into -5, that is the minus and minus plus, 5 5 is 25, and again it will be multiplying 25 5 is 125, and there is the plus and minus minus. It will be done here -125. So it's the power of -5 to the power 3. Okay students, it will be done here. Now students, BBQ वैल्यू बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस और ब्रेन टीचर्स एक्सरसाइज मैं यहाँ नहीं करवा रही हूँ, बिकॉज ये हम कोविड-19 की वजह से हम थोड़ा सा एक्सटेंड कर रहे हैं। अगर हमारे स्कूल रीओपन होते हैं तो हम इन एक्सरसाइजेस को करवाएंगे, अदरवाइज हमारे सिलेबस को हम कट करेंगे जितना पॉसिबल हो सकेगा, जितना रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं होगी। सो स्टूडेंट्स, इफ एनीवन वांट्स टू डू देन ही कैन कॉन्टेक्ट मी। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो फेयर नोटबुक आपकी इस चैप्टर की कंप्लीट हो जानी चाहिए। ये चैप्टर आपका कंप्लीट हो चुका है। In the next class, we will start the next chapter. Okay, students, have a nice day. Bye, students. Thank you.